Hello my friends, and welcome to another breathing technical session. I'm pretty excited today because I'm going to teach you one of the more foundational techniques, one of the more common ones that you'll see when you go to a yoga class. And you may have tried this before. It's called Nadi Shodana. The translation of that means nadis balancing. The nadis are energy channels per the philosophy of yoga. It's often called alternate nostril breathing. So for a bit of background on what the nadis are, the yogis believe there is one main energy channel that goes along the spinal column, the center, and that there are two other main ones that go to the left and to the right of the central column. And these columns, they come up like this and they go in through the nostrils and then up into the brain. The right channel is associated with the right nostril, and it implies the active phase. So if you heard of the yin and the yang energy, the right side is the yang energy. So it represents the solar, the masculine, the active, the energized side. The left side is the yin energy and represents the feminine, the moon, the passive, relaxing energy. So this technique is meant to bring balance between these two energies, whether you're feeling too hyper or stressed out, or whether you're feeling tired or low energy. This technique is meant to adjust both of those and bring you back into a state of equilibrium. Before we do that, of course, I'd like you to gently arrive for your practice. So find your seat on your mat or your chair and place your hands wherever's comfortable for you. I'm going to do palms up, wrists on the knees, and gently close down your eyes. And just arrive. Tell yourself that you'll drop everything that you brought to this practice. You're leaving that behind and you are present. And find that relaxation right away. The settling of the mind. As if everything you were doing were a set of heavy bags that you just threw to the side and stopped thinking about. And bring your awareness to your sitting bones and then all the points of contact that your sitting bones make with the surface beneath you. Feeling grounded, feel gravity pulling you down, being supported by the ground beneath you. Taking a big inhaling breath, and as you inhale, open the chest, straighten the spine, drop your shoulders back and down, and loose and relaxed. Keeping that structure straight and strong, and everything else relaxing and letting go. Begin to observe your breathing. Being the watcher. Watch the breath as it travels in from the nose, through your breathing system, and down. And back from inside your body deeply, out through the nose again. Every inhale, feeling the expansion in all directions. With every exhale, releasing and letting go even more. Just make an observation of what's happening in your mind. And if you did catch yourself lost in thought, just take a look at the thought and watch it fade. Always coming back to the breathing. Getting into the body and feeling all the little muscles and space expand and contract with each and every breath. Feeling refreshed, invigorated with every new inhalation. And every exhale, getting rid of more rubbish and letting go more. Good. I invite you to open your eyes gently, and I'll show you the technique first, so you'll want to watch. The left hand's going to stay where it is. We'll use the right hand to control the nostrils. The right thumb to stop the right nostril, the ring finger to close down the left nostril. The index and middle finger, you can either rest gently on your forehead or you can drop them down like so. I usually do it this way, but I'm going to drop them for this video just so you have a little bit more visibility as to what I'm doing, though it's pretty easy to follow. So before we actually practice Nadi Shodana, let's spend a few moments clearing our nostrils. So we're gonna start by closing the right nostril, and we're gonna take deep, somewhat forceful breaths, slow breaths through the left only. So go ahead and close the right nostril. And close your eyes if you want to. Just breathe deeply through the left only. Long, slow breaths. We're just activating the side, and if you're a little bit stuffy in one nostril, that's okay, just do your best. Okay, let's switch. Let's close the left nostril and breathe through the right only. Okay, good. You may have noticed that one nostril was easier to breathe through than the other. that just means you're out of balance, and that's what this technique we're about to practice is for, so that's good. Notice how the nostrils felt now, and then compare it to how they feel at the end of this practice we're about to do. So now we're going to do Nadi Shodana, the full technique. What we'll do is we'll start always by breathing on the left. So we'll close the right, we'll breathe in through the left, we close both, hold the breath, and then breathe out through the right. And then we breathe in through the right, hold the breath, and breathe out through the left. And that is one cycle. And we'll probably do maybe 10 cycles in this practice. I want to explain also the count. We'll do a very easy count. So the ratio of 1 to 1 to 1. So 1 inhalation to 1 hold to 1 exhalation. And we'll go very simply, we'll just do 4. So 4 in, 4 hold, 4 out. Are you ready? Then, once again, I invite you to close down the eyes. Everyone breathe deeply in together. Exhale out. And we'll close the right nostril. Breathe in through the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close and hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4. Inhale right. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4. Inhale left. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4. Inhale right. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4. Inhale left. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4. Inhale right. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4. Inhale left. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4. Inhale right. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4. Inhale left. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4. Inhale right. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4. Continue on for 5 more rounds, 5 more cycles on your own. Okay, very good. You can relax the technique. Keep your eyes closed and just get back in tune with your natural breath awareness. Just observe how your awareness has changed, how your breathing may have changed. Observe the state of your mind. And gently open your eyes. That's the technique. So we did a very basic count of 1 to 1 to 1. And I invite you to play with this. There isn't really a set in stone way to do it. Generally, what the yogis say is you practice the ratio of 1 to 1 to 1 until you get to 10. So you're doing 10 in, 10 hold, 10 out. And then once you're comfortable with that, you can start changing it up. You can do 1 2 1, which is holding for twice as long. You could do 1 2 2, which is inhale for 1, hold for 2, exhale for 2. And you can mix and match this really. There isn't a rule, just explore your breath capacity. Try different ratios and different counts, and holding for longer and exhaling for longer. The important thing is not to feel strain. So you shouldn't have this feeling of gasping for air, because that's not sustainable. After you do 1 or 2 rounds, if you're gasping for air, you will not be able to continue. So you just keep practicing until you find the count that works, that gives you a little bit of challenge. It feels like it's not too easy, but that doesn't leave you gasping for air. And then gradually expand on that. So every time you sit down, start where you were last time, and if that's getting easy, then maybe you add a little bit to the count, or you hold it longer, or you exhale slower. Whatever works for you as you practice. So I hope you enjoyed this class, and keep breathing and have a wonderful day, and I'll see you here for another lesson. Have a great day.